Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Thank you for stopping by. So, remember when I showed you this box and it was the Christmas box card making kit from Anna Griffin and it made 48? Well, I've made some and I wanted to show you. I did follow along with her patterns on 2 or 3 and and then I made my own. I made 30 and now I have 14 that I'm keeping in the box because maybe if I leave it like that it will become vintage and I'll use it vintage, but these are vintage type products anyway. That's why I love her. Is To me it feels vintage, Victorian, shabby chic in a lot of ways with a lot of the new birthday stuff and the colors that she's used too. Also, before I show you the cards I made and the hot mess in the box, I did buy these two extra um, Christmas box cut and embossing folders. They emboss and cut it all at one time, and oh my god, they are so nice, and I just love using them. They're so easy. So I did use those and I bought the extra. I don't normally buy extra like that, so I was very pleased to do that. And there were ideas on this as well, on here. And also I wanted to show you because I gift to 25 to 30 people Christmas cards and birthday cards and all kind of um, cards at Christmas time. I do make this type of, this is the box that I'm presenting this year. It has the tie here. It's 8 by 8 and I put feet on it, but I thought it could go this way on a shelf or it could lay flat, and I don't know if they want to set something else on it, so I didn't decorate. And I'll put the links down below on how to make this and the measurements in my tutorial, but it is so cute. So at the dollar store you can get 3 pins for $1, so I'll put one in there. And look, this is a 5 by 7 Anna Griffin card. This is one of the Christmas cards. Look how much space you have with her envelope, and you can actually get in here and get it. So I'll stack this full with all occasions and gift it out to the ladies in the neighborhood and family members and all that. And I hope none of them are watching this. So anyway, but there's one of the cards. I never sign the back because um, I want them to sign it if they like it enough, or leave it blank. I don't, my name is not important. But anyway, there's one of the cards I made. So, and this is um, this right here cut in half. So, okay, enough about this. This will be linked down below so you can make one too. I love it. Okay, so let's see. This is what it looks like now with the 30 cards I made. Let's take them out. And um, this is the leftover with only 14 to go. And I know that I'm going to have so much left over. That's a lot. Look, there's red roses and stuff that you can use non-Christmas. Here's the gold still. Here's a lot of the Christmas left over. I never, ever throw this away. Look how much product you have to still use. Here's the envelopes that I need to pull those out. But yeah, here's the products. You can, use your alphabet. There's a lot still in here. So here's the 14 I can still make. And I mean, look how much product is still left over. See, that's when I say it builds your stash, and your stash just keeps growing and growing. So when I have an emergency, I know to pull in here and I have it. Eventually, when I'm totally organized, hopefully I can do something better. But yeah. So let me show you my cards. And yeah, this is Christmas cards already. I'm trying to get a head start since I have so many of those boxes to make. I need to make about 10 boxes a month until Christmas time, and I don't want to stress because I stress at Christmas. I'm sure you all do, and I don't want to stress. I want to have them done. So, okay. Can you see that they're three-dimensional and popped and raised and all that? There is 1, 2, 3 layers on this one. I'm going to try to go fast. It might bore you. See, this is that folder right here. This is that folder here. But look at the raised on it. Oh, it's gorgeous. So 1, 2, 3, 4 layers on this one. Yeah, so I would add an extra stamp on some of these. This feels pretty lightweight. I don't even think I would add an extra stamp on this one. But sometimes her pop-ups get heavy. But look, this is just a card topper and another piece of paper that came with it right here. So let me just go through these. Isn't that nice? It's just really pretty. I like it. I hope that the people that I gift these to like it, and I'm going to try to gift them early this year if they have a Christmas card in it. So look how pretty. Also, if anyone has a site that they can tell me where to send cards made to military people that are in the military overseas, that I can send them to them and then they can mail them back to their loved ones, I would love to be a part of that. I hope you like these. I'm happy that I'm just been making a lot of cards. You know, my anniversary was yesterday and I didn't even give my husband a card. I don't give out cards. I only gift them to people. I think it's crazy, yeah. So, and see, I changed this up. This was from another die and I just cut it in half. It was one of Anna's, I don't know which one, but I cut it in half. Isn't that so pretty? And it's raised. There's a lot of raised on it. Oh, see, this one opens that way. I have to change it up every now and then. And this is a die of Anna's. It's behind me. I wish I'd have known and remembered. I made these about a week ago, or I'd have pulled it out to show you. Oh, this is my leftover pop dots from her kit. Didn't use a lot of them because they were already raised and had a lot going on already. If you want to make a craft but you don't want to get involved in a lot of tools and stuff, then I would suggest these kits. And it doesn't take a lot of hand movement and all, so if you're getting old and can't do a lot with your hands or elbows or shoulders or fingers and stuff, this would work for you. Most of these will go to my mom and she sends them out for Christmas. So however many she says she needs, she'll get the first pack, and then the few, there's only going to be a couple that would go into the box for neighbors. They will get all occasions and all. So, and my mom gets cards year round. So, but I started making these cards so that my mom can send them out, and now it's become a thing that I give them to neighbors and to my mom and family members. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. All my links are down below, and the link to the box tutorial will be there too.